physical characteristics. The information and the data on the physical characteristic of the solid waste are important for the selection and the operation of equipment, for the analysis, design of the disposal facilities. Under the physical characteristics, there are three types. They are physical, density, moisture content and size. Let's go through the density. It is an expanse as a mass for the unit volume. This parameter is required for designing and solid waste management program. The reduction in volume by 75% is achieved through normal compaction equipment so that an initial density of 100 kg meter may reduce the readily by increasing to 400 kg meter. The efficient operation of the line will require the compaction of the waste to optimum density. Again, the next is the moisture content. The value rather than the 40% are also common. The moisture increases the life of the solid waste and the food of the cost collection and the transport increases. The consequently should be insulated from the rain or the other extensions of the water source. The consistency should be insulated from the rain or the other extensions of the water source. It is a critical determinant in the economic flexibility of the waste treatment by the incineration. Again, the last is size. The size is a measurement of the size distribution. Particles in wind is important because of its significance in the design of mechanical separators. Generally, the result of the size distribution analysis are expressed in the manners use of the soil particle analysis. Say they are expressed as a plot of particle size in millimeters, again as a percentage. The next content is chemical characteristics. Knowledge of the classification of the chemical compounds or the characteristic is essential for the proper understanding of the behavior of the waste. Again, the product of decomposition, heating value are two examples for chemical characteristic. If the solid waste are used as a fuel or used for any other purpose, we must know the chemical characteristics including the following. The chemical characteristic under lipids, carbohydrates, proteins, natural fiber, synthetic organic material, non-combustible, heating value. Let's discuss one by one. The lipids. Clash of the compounds includes the parts oil, grease, and the principal source of the lipids are garbage, cooking, oil and fats. Lipids have the heating value about 38,000 kg kilojoule, which makes the way with an highest liquid content suitable for energy recovery. Since lipids become liquid at temperature slightly above ambient, they had liquid content during the fast decomposition. Carbohydrates. These are found primarily in the food yard wastes, which encompass the sugar and the polymers of sugar. Carbohydrates are readily biodegraded to the products such as carbon dioxide, water and methane. Decomposing carbohydrates attack flies, rats and other foods such as left exposed for the long duration. Proteins. Proteins decide the compounds containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. Consists of an organic acid with an 10 substituted amine group which is nothing but NH2. These are mainly found in the food and the garden wastes. The particle decomposition of these compounds can be result in the production of amines that have the pleasant odor. The next is natural fibers. The natural fibers, these are found in the paper products, food yard waste and including the natural compounds, cellulose, ligaments and the resistance to biodegradable. Because they are incommensurable solid waste having the high proportion of paper, wood product, they are sustainable for incineration. The value is dried paper product, they range in the 12,000 to 18,000 kg kilojoule and the wood is 20,000 for the oily of 44,200 kg kilojoule. Synthetic of organic material. Synthetic of organic material are nothing but plastics. According for 1 to 10% of plastics are become insignificant compound for solid waste in the recent years. They are highly resistant to biodegradable and they are objectable of an special corner in the SWM. Plastics have the heating value about 32,000 kilojoule and which makes a very suitable incineration, and the PVC which burn the product deoxy acid gas that terminal increases the corrosion in the combustion system which is responsible for the acid rain. Non-combustible and the heating value. The non-combustible. This class includes the glass of materials, dust, ashes, accounts of 12 to 25% as a dry solids. The heating value. An evaluation of the potential of the waste material for use as a fuel from incineration requires a determination of which heating value. It expressed in astrologer per kilogram. It shows the typical insert of residue heating value for the component of municipal solid waste. Thank you guys. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.